Oh, Father dear, I oft times hear you speak of Ermsile. Her lofty scenes and valleys green, her mountains rude and wild. They say it is a lovely land wherein a prince might dwell. Oh, why did you abandon it? The reason to me tell.
Is fernin lagirig fien the hanigan offren. Na bali clen an laremde na pillars is shiriam. Amach gan truans schnacht davor the kach shinren. Arding and we chain heavy and so the net and lay.
Your mother, to God rest her soul, fell on the snowy ground. She fainted in her anguish, seeing the desolation round. She never rose but passed away from life to mortal dream, and found a quiet grave, my boy, in dear old Skibbereen.
Erchin sagra machri nistatet zugdio. Gagleich verfuem en chavoi van trev inish free. Betsan zu des os machoi begen brat gabuan sagi. Is clash vergar nangel gehard Königer Skibbereen.
Oh, Father dear, the day will come when vengeance loud will call, when Irish men with feelings stern will rally one and all. I'll be the man to lead the band beneath the flag of green. When loud and high we will raise the cry, revenge for Skibbereen.